My name is Ido Weiner. I'm a chemical engineer and I'm the head of material and research team in Caesarstone's R&D division. Caesarstone Outdoor project has been one of our main focuses for the last couple of years. We conducted both scientific and pragmatic tests that challenged the surfaces according to the various conditions and scenarios common to outdoor environment all over the world. Caesarstone Outdoor countertop outperform other materials currently used for outdoor kitchens. The main challenge for us was to develop a quartz technology that can resist UV outdoor radiation and won't change color or suffer any damage to its outdoor appearance. We tested it in real outdoor conditions and in the lab using special instruments that simulate the sun rays, temperature, and under different humidities. And we got fantastic results. The impact-resistant test simulates the impact of a heavy object on the outdoor kitchen surface. We throw a weighty metal ball on the surface to see how much impact the surface can endure before it breaks. The Caesarstone surface had a very big advantage over natural stone and concrete, where we are 50% better, and ceramics, where we are more than 3 times better, and other brittle materials. Flexural strength tests the strength characteristics of the surface. It indicates how much weight the surface can endure. Here, Caesarstone surfaces has a very big advantage over ceramics, natural stone, and concrete. In the stain resistance test, we check to see if the surface is resistant to stains in everyday use. We performed various industry standard staining tests. Unlike porous materials such as natural stone and concrete, Caesarstone is impervious to spills and dirt and is resistant to stain from almost every common material that you would encounter outdoors. Our outdoor surfaces, like our indoor products, don't require any special maintenance. One of the main advantages of Caesarstone is that it's incredibly durable. When compared to stainless steel or concrete, Caesarstone outperforms it and can come in contact with sharp objects without any problem. In this fire-resistant test, the product is inserted into a fire tunnel where it is exposed to intense gas flames. The flame extends throughout the tunnel and the product is observed with respect to how it withstands to smoke, flames, and extreme heat. We did a variety of tests to ensure that the outdoor surfaces can withstand both freezing conditions and very high climate temperatures, such as those you can find in the desert. Results showed that both functionality and appearance were not affected after a long exposure. We're very happy with the result we got.